The new Bitdefender Antivirus Free, released in March 2022, is created from the ground up, while the legacy Bitdefender Antivirus Free Edition, based on outdated technology, was retired at the end of 2021. With extended support for existing users through June 30, 2022. The brand new free edition of the Bitdefender Antivirus brings to the table new functionality and an improved feature set, as well as a user interface that matches the entire Bitdefender product lineup, Antivirus Plus, Internet Security and Total Security. With new malware protection tools and custom scanning scheduling capabilities, the new Bitdefender Antivirus Free delivers the top-notch protection for computers and other devices that the popular security company has accustomed users to. Designed for the home user, Bitdefender Antivirus Free features the so-called Autopilot, a personal security advisor that delivers recommendations based on the device usage. In other words, you can get advice on how to make use of the product's features to improve the security and performance of your computer. Additionally, there is a guided tour to help you understand the main functions of the AV solution and quickly get familiar with the interface. Favorite features can be added as quick actions within the main dashboard and edited freely whenever. The antivirus features real-time protection, meaning that it keeps an eye on the system in the attempt to detect suspicious activity. As expected, it can perform on-demand scans as well. Following an uneventful setup process, Bitdefender Antivirus Free prompts you to run an initial system scan to detect any potential malware or dangerous activity. Any found threat is sent to quarantine first, where you can have a look at the full path and choose whether to delete or preserve the files. The real-time protection shield puts into place an advanced threat defense system that works together with cloud-based protection to identify suspicious behavior and block zero-day attacks. This security system is accompanied by on-demand scans that you can run anytime you suspect an infection. Bitdefender Antivirus Free can run quick scans or more elaborate system analysis, which searches for malware and infected items more deeply. Custom scans can also be initiated to analyze specific folders or files. For your convenience and continuous safety, you can schedule on-demand scans. The redesigned edition of the Bitdefender Antivirus Free provides a first line of defense against online threats of all kinds. Unlike the paid editions of Bitdefender products, it lacks many important features, such as multi-layer ransomware protection, secure online banking, VPN, or the device optimizer. However, the free edition allows you to experience the award-winning cybersecurity technology provided by Bitdefender by blocking cyber attacks before your computer is compromised. See you next video, and now some music.